We got a surprise with the BeKind box. Yes, we did. They have merged with Alltrue. I figured since we pay less than Alltrue that we would not get to customize, that we would just be given the items. Well, BeKind by Alltrue allowed us to customize. This is the brochure that came with this quarter's box. This is the winter quarter. Very nice, big, fat brochure that tells us about the items. And in here, it gives us some recipes, and it gives us some journaling prompts and all kinds of interesting things. So I was definitely surprised and pleased, but surprised. The first thing Anne picked were a set of 3 compression packing cubes by my tag-alongs. They have a retail of $50. And apparently these are made from recycled plastic. And if you hadn't told me that, I would not have known from touching it. It feels just like regular fabric. The front of each one is mesh. There is a handle so that you can carry all 3 of them, and they have different sizes. That's the first size, and then they get bigger from there. This is the largest size. So I am quite pleased with being able to customize. I'm quite pleased with this product. My thought was not only for travel, but perhaps for storing some off-season socks or off-season clothes. Perfect. And did we mention it has a retail of $50? The next item is from Companion Candles. This is a set of 2 with seasonally scented candles. And they have a retail of $30? I think that's what it said. And from what the little brochure here has to say for itself, Companion Candles is inspired by Milo, which I think is a dog. This is a women-owned company, and candles offer a people, planet, and pet-safe burn with wicks made from FSC certified wood. And a portion of each purchase goes to support animal welfare organization. So $30 for 2, yes, they are smaller candles, but $30 for 2 candles, I'm impressed. They were a little bit difficult to get open. Oops, dropped a lid. To be exact, the first time I tried to open this one, I wound up pulling off the bottom. That was kind of a surprise, but from what we can tell, there still is a metal bottom to the candle, so I didn't damage the candle in any way. That's what it looks like once you get it open. I reached out to customer service at Companion Candles regarding that, and they said that sometimes in transit it gets cold, and that makes it difficult for them to open, but once they have a chance to settle down to room temperature, then they open easily, and that they did. So the 2 scents that we got were, we got Celebrate the Season and Hello Snow. Hello Snow is a balsam and cypress scent, so it's a little heavy for my taste, but I'm willing to give it a try. And Celebrate the Season is nutmeg and sugar. I took a sniff and it smells heavenly. And I did also confirm with them that they can be used under a candle warmer, because that's my preference rather than lighting candles. So, exciting. Yes, it is. The third thing that Anne chose was a silicone muffin pan. My muffin pans are, well, old. So I took the opportunity to get it won't hold still. This is a 12 muffin pan, silicone muffin pan. I'm sounding like a broken record here. I think it said the retail was $25. They're made by Alltrue. Yes, that was correct. $25 Alltrue 12-cup silicone muffin pan, sustainable and reusable. Made from 100% PBA-free food-grade silicone, this pan is durable and designed for countless uses. It's non-stick and it's flexible. Yeah, we saw that it was flexible. Perfect for baking muffins, cupcakes, and more. Oven safe and easy to clean, withstands temperatures up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, and is dishwasher safe. We are halfway through the box, and Anne has decided that her favorite are the candles. Although I do like everything I was able to pick from. The candles get top honors for the first half of the box. How about you? Did you get this? Have you tried these candles? Have you tried any of this? Let me know. Inquiring camels want to know. And now, moving right along with this video. For choice number 4, I got more than just a paper wrapper. This is the name of the brand. I believe it's pronounced Good. Do I have that upside down? Was it supposed to go this way? Oh, I like the color of that one. Yes, me too. And it's a good size. I mean, I'm holding it way up. It's definitely a good size, and there is a comparable one in a pinkish rose shade. These will be great not only for the grocery store, but in the summertime at the farmer's market. So I'm tickled with those. And what does the brochure say about them? They are a $26 value, made from 100% cotton and natural dyed. Totes are an easy swap from plastic bags. They were delivered carbon neutral to the Alltrue facility, courtesy of Goods Enterprise Partnership with carbonfund.org. How neat is that? Lots of neat things in here. Yes, I am, like I said, I'm over the moon surprised. It was like Christmas morning getting to pick, because I didn't think that was going to be an option for those of us that are with the BeKind box, because our box doesn't cost as much as an Alltrue box. Now, granted, maybe we don't have as big a choice selection. That's what I'm presuming. But still, we got to make choices. That's always very nice. Yes. This is choice number 4. The company is Duke. I'm not quite sure if I'm pronouncing that right. DOUCCC. And it is a face and eyeshadow palette. It has a retail of $42. And I gotta say, that seems a little on the hefty side price-wise for what I would have expected, but I'm not complaining. And the last but not least choice, number 6, is from Arrow. It is an aluminum-free deodorant. I remember I got one of these way back when I had Birchbox. So I'm pleased to see it again. And this one has a fruity scent to it. So that sounds interesting. And what does the brochure have to say? Come here, brochure. Aluminum-free deodorant, $14 retail value. Stay fresh and fabulous with this citrus-scented, aluminum-free, and vegan deodorant designed to keep up with your active lifestyle. And decided that her favorite item from this half of the box is the set of 2, I'm going to call them grocery sacks. They are certainly multi-use. You could take it to the beach, you could take it to the pool, you could take it to the farmer's market. You could probably, if the command strips would hold it, command strip it up to a side of a unused cabinet and hang your fruits or vegetables in it. I think there's a multitude of options for these 2 guys. What do you think? Did you see something that you liked? Do you get this? Let us know. We want to know. I'm a nosy cow and she's a nosy content creator. Taking a quick look at the nitty-gritty. Like I said, I was really surprised. I know I sound like a broken record because the BeKind times Alltrue box is $55. Then there is tax, shipping is free, so I'm in $59 and change. Whereas the Alltrue subscription, from what I understand, they are a $75 per quarter box, and there is tax and you have to pay shipping, I think. I could be wrong in that part. Yet just the box difference, 55 versus 75, and we still got to make choices. Now, maybe we didn't get as many choices as the Alltrue box has. I don't know. I'm just taking this quarter by quarter as the opportunity presents itself. I almost missed out on customization because the email came through at 10 in the morning and I didn't see it till 3 in the afternoon. But luckily there still were items available. So, like I said, it had me very surprised and very happy and very pleased. And thank you for watching today. Consider subscribing to our channel. That is free. Like, comment, subscribe, and notification bell. And have you seen those advent calendars that we've got? Oh my goodness, check out that playlist. And we do hope to see you in another video. Thanks for watching.